Listen closely, because what I'm about to reveal is the real reason most people will be broke before 2026. And it has nothing to do with luck, the economy, or the government. These traps work quietly, silently, invisibly. And the worst part? You fall into them without even noticing, until one day you wake up, wondering where all the years went, and why your life still feels stuck. Today, I'm exposing the 10 money traps that quietly drain your future wealth. And if you've fallen into even 3 of them, your financial freedom is already slipping away. But once you hear them, you'll never look at money the same way again. And the 7th one? Almost every single person watching this is caught in it right now. Let's start with the most dangerous trap of all, the one that destroys more futures than failure ever will. It's the lie we whisper to ourselves every day: I'll start later. Later is where dreams go to die. Later is the silent thief of your future. Later tells you there's time, until suddenly there isn't. People don't end up broke because they're stupid. They end up broke because they delay. Every time you say you'll invest later, save later, learn later, take action later, you're trading your future for comfort. Your older self is already paying for the decisions you're avoiding today. And then comes emotional spending. This one is deadly because it doesn't feel dangerous. You're not buying things, you're buying relief. You're buying a feeling. Stress? Buy something. Bored? Buy something. Feeling unimportant? Buy something. But here's the truth nobody really admits: you are trading your long-term freedom for a short hit of dopamine that lasts 12 seconds. Wealthy people buy assets. Everyone else buys emotions. And emotions are expensive. But emotional spending has a cousin: upgrade addiction. And this one pretends to be innocent. You look at your phone. I need a newer one. You look at your car. I should upgrade. Your wardrobe. I deserve better. And sure, maybe you do deserve better. But those tiny upgrades? They don't cost money, they cost freedom. Every upgrade raises your lifestyle, which raises your expenses, which traps you in the same financial cycle. The wealthy upgrade after they grow. The average person upgrades before they grow. And that tiny difference decides everything. Now here comes the trap that almost everyone falls for without even questioning it: the illusion of stable employment. We grow up believing that a job is security, but a job is not security. A job is a subscription you pay with your time, your energy, your life, and they give you just enough money to survive, not enough to escape, not enough to build wealth, but only enough to keep you coming back. Working harder at the same job will not make you financially free. You cannot save your way to wealth on a fixed salary, you must build or invest in something. Money that only comes from your labor will always be limited because your time is limited. And here's where things get really scary. The 5th trap is simply not investing. You're not broke because the world is expensive. You're broke because your money isn't working. Wealthy people don't just work hard, they make their money work even harder. Most people are terrified of investing because they think it's risky. But here's the irony: not investing is the biggest risk of all. Inflation is silently erasing your savings every day. Your money is shrinking while you sleep. If your money isn't growing, it's dying. People avoid investing because they fear losing money. But by not investing, they guarantee they'll lose it anyway. Now let's talk about something that hurts, because it's close to home. Some of your friends are keeping you broke. Not because they're bad people, but because they're expensive. They want you to go out, spend, celebrate, buy, impress, look the part, while you're trying to build a future. You're trying to save, they're trying to show off. You're trying to invest, they're trying to live a little. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If the people around you aren't pushing you forward, then they're pulling you down, and many people stay broke just to fit in with people who aren't going anywhere. But the biggest trap of all, the one that almost every viewer falls into, is the fake rich lifestyle. This is the slow poison killing many today. You want to look successful before you actually are. The car you can't afford, the apartment that drains your income, the clothes you buy for strangers to notice, the gadgets you don't need, the nights out you barely remember. You're not impressing anyone, you're only delaying the life you truly want. Real wealth whispers, fake wealth screams. The richest people in the world don't spend to look rich, they spend to stay free. This next trap is subtle, but devastating. Most people don't track anything, they don't know how much they spend, how much they waste, or where their money leaks out every month. They don't know their net worth, they don't know what they keep, they live financially blind, and the financially blind always walk straight into poverty. When you track your money, everything changes. Awareness forces you to make better decisions. And better decisions compound into freedom. And then we hit the comfort zone, the most expensive addiction in the world, which affected my life so badly before I woke up to reality. You stay in the same job, same environment, same habits, same excuses, not because it's good, but because it's familiar. Comfort feels safe, but it costs your entire future. Growth feels uncomfortable, but it pays for your freedom. You cannot become the person who has everything you want while staying the same person you are today. Your comfort zone is your poverty zone. And most people will live and die inside of it. Which leads to the final trap, the one nobody talks about, doing nothing. People assume doing nothing is harmless, but doing nothing is a decision that quietly shapes your entire life. People don't lose wealth in one dramatic moment, they lose it slowly. Every day they delay action. Whenever you refuse to learn, refuse to invest, refuse to change, refuse to start, your future shrinks, and 2026 is coming fast. Prices will rise, opportunities will shift, the world will not wait for you to be ready. And the question is, will you be ready to make the right decision? Or will you be one of the people who remembers watching this video, and regrets doing nothing? If one of these traps hit you deeply, drop it on the comments section because someone might learn from your experience as you are learning from mine. Change starts right now. Don't be the person who hears this, agrees, and continues life exactly the same. Think outside the box because you deserve more than survival, you deserve freedom, you deserve a future that doesn't scare you. And if you want a part 2, where I reveal the money habits that can actually make you rich before 2026, I'll drop it the moment this video hits multiple likes and share. Your future starts the moment you decide it does, not with procrastination or exaggeration but with action to make your life easier and better. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell for more.